Well, hello, my name is Andy Tidy and welcome back to another Canal Hunter video. If this is your first visit to the channel and my passion for the UK's inland waterways piques your interest, you may like to click the subscribe and notify buttons, and that way you can make sure that you don't miss any new videos when they're released. What a difference a week makes. Just a week ago I was up at Ogley and I was absolutely freezing. My fingers were numb and I was wearing my winter coat. Today it's a balmy 19. It's warm. I'm even wearing a t-shirt. Well, let's go and explore the line of the old Ogley Locks section of the Worley and Essington Canal, better known these days as the Lichfield Canal. Last week we flew down from Ogley and we ended up at Muckley Corner. And today we will pick up the trail and we will move on from Muckley Corner through Pipe Hill, Wall, and end up at the first major regeneration zone on this canal at Barracop. As usual for this series, I will be flying the line of the canal using drone footage taken from about 200 feet up. And sequenced into this drone footage, I'll insert lots of old archive photos so you can see what this canal used to look like back in the day. Hopefully, with the contemporary video and the archive photos, you can really get a feel for what this waterway used to look like. Well, that's enough of the talking. Let's go, fly the drone and see what we can find. Well, taken together, the last two episodes represent the top half of what will be the Lichfield Canal. From here on, it will become a hive of restoration activity. You'll already seen some glimpses of the changes which are being made here at Barracop. And it seems to be wildly popular with the local population. There is a constant stream of walkers and dog walkers walking around this unwatered but restored section. And this really marks the start of the major deviations from the old line. This video is all about tracking down the old line of the canal and showing you the old photos. But as we progress forwards in future episodes, I will also fly you down the line of the new canal so you can compare the old with the new. I hope you enjoyed this trip down the past of the Ogley Lock section of the Worley and Essendon Canal. Bit of a mouthful, isn't it, really? Let's just call it the Lichfield Canal. If you did enjoy this video, can you do the very un-British thing of clicking the like button? It means that YouTube knew that you liked it and it will recommend it to more viewers. And as far as I'm concerned, the more people that appreciate our industrial transport heritage, the better. But anyhow, from me, that's enough for now. I will see you soon. Cheerio and happy hunting.